Hi everybody, this is MSK Srinivas. Today we are going to discuss about one important topic in progressions of 10th class. Okay, so are you ready? Okay, thank you very much. See just here. So now we are going to discuss about sum of n terms of AP. Sum of n terms of AP. So here see sum of n terms of AP. So already we know what is the general form of AP. What is general form of AP? So general form of AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, so on, A plus n minus 1 into D. Yes. So just what we are going to find out here, sum we have to find out. Sum means what? Plus. We have to add all these terms. So just we will denote this as a Sn. Okay, Sn. So Sn is nothing but just we are adding all these terms. I am writing C once. Okay, if you have doubt again you can ask me later. Just what I am writing, just use C once. This is A. So A plus D, second term. And again A plus 2D. So like that, just I am writing. So again, so last term A plus n minus 1 into D. Before term also I am writing C. A plus n minus 2 into D this is. And again next one A plus n minus, just here I will write A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the last term. Now just I am adding each and every term here. Okay. So again what happened here? Just I am writing reverse it. I am writing reverse. How I will write C once? Again same Sn. Yes. Here A plus n minus 1 into D. Yes. Before that what is there? A plus n minus 2 into D. Yes, okay, just square brackets I will just keep here, plus again, so before that what it will be, can you guess? Yes, A plus n minus 3 into D. Yes, so on. When we are writing reverse, these terms will come last. Why? Because reverse we are writing. Understood? Now what happened here? See, two terms I have written last, but here also these last two terms. When we are writing reverse, last two terms I will write here. So that is A plus D. Just I will add to this one. Why? Because this one next. So this is the last one. Space not there. That's why down I have written. Maybe you observed. So A I am writing. So when we are writing reverse, these are the last terms. Am I right? Now I am writing. Just I am making sum of this. See, Sn plus Sn. 2 Sn I am getting 2 Sn. Yes, that is equal to, now A plus A 2A, just I am writing A plus A 2A plus n minus 1 into D. 2A plus n minus 1 into D I got. Now again coming to second term, this term and this term I am adding. Now A plus A will give you what it will give? 2A. Plus again, here this is n minus 2 into D. This is D plus D. Plus D means 1D. So n minus 2 plus 1 we are getting n minus 1 again. Why? Because n minus 2. So minus 2 plus 1 give minus 1. So again we are getting, by adding these to n minus 1 into D I am getting. Again, if you proceed these two, if you are adding A plus A, 2A again, 2A, very good. And again this is n minus 3 as it is what we have done before. See, n minus 3 plus 2 2. Again n minus 1 I am getting. So with each and every term, these two terms we are adding, then n minus 1 only we are getting. Yes, n minus 1 into d. Again, if you proceed like that, last two terms also, just a space not there I am writing here. So this is also what we will get, last two terms, a plus, okay, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Again we are getting here also 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes. Okay. So after that, after completing this, just to see every time when I add these two lines, okay, I am getting 2a plus n minus 1 into d every time. So I have taken how many terms? This is the general form, n terms. This is the nth term of AP. First term, second term, third term. This is the nth term of AP. Okay. Now what happened here? All terms we got. So n terms we just we are adding here n terms. When we are adding these n terms, simply we are getting what we are getting? Yes, same answer we are getting. Suppose if we add 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones what we are getting? 6 we are getting. So like this here, same number is there, same expression we are adding n times, then we can write this as 2sn is equal to n terms there. Therefore n into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes. Now see here, this 2 you send this side. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is what? This is a sum of n terms of AP. Sum of n terms of AP. Understood? So, sir, why you are writing two times? So you can add these. So just any method you can use. No. So this is nothing. This is given by, okay, Gauss, the famous mathematician. So actually he did not find this. So one day what happened? His teacher, his mathematics teacher came to the class and he has some work. He want to do the work and just for that. So suppose he is doing his work, then students, they won't allow. Students, what they will do? So they will be in their work. So they will talk. They will just create some disturbance in the class. So that's why he gave some work. Just he said, write 1 to 100 numbers and add, and after that you say what is the answer, he said. So then immediately this boy Gauss, okay, Carl Friedrich Gauss, what he has done? Immediately he said, sir, this is the answer, like that. Yes, what is the answer? Yes, he said. So why you got this answer? He asked me. Why you got me? Sir, this is very simple, sir. I have done, what is it, 1, 2, 3, so on, 99 plus 100. Again 100 plus, reverse I have written, sir. So the 100 plus 99 plus so on. Thus here this is 2, this is 1, like that. So all 101, 101 only came, sir, all times. Yes, 101. How many 101s are there here? 101s, sir. 100 101, sir. 101. Yes, 101 into 100, sir. But here 2 times I added, that's why by 2 I have written. So just here 50 times it will cancel. So here what happened here? So okay, so this is nothing but 5050, sir. Yes, he said. So the teacher, okay, nicely you just you have done, you are great student, like that he said. He is none other than Carl Friedrich Gauss. Okay, so that's why what we are telling. So that's why. So we are using this. We are not using this. This is given by, this method is given by Carl Friedrich Gauss. That's why just we are using this. Understood? Okay. Now, yes, this is given by who is that? Gauss. Okay. Carl Friedrich Gauss. Very good. So now what happened? Is it enough? Is it completed? No. Okay, so this is only formula. We can make it box. Okay, so now again just I'm adding, so just I'm reducing this one. See once, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a. I am writing a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes, I'm writing like this. Then what happened here? See, what is the last one? What is the last term? So this is the nth term of AP. That's why I will write this as nth term of AP. Then again I am writing Sn is equal to, okay, n by 2 of a plus n. Of a plus n. This is also a formula. Why? Because when we can use this, if you know first term and last term of any AP, you can find out it very easily. Okay. So how it is? What I have done? See, once again I am telling, see children, what I have done. You already know what is the general form. General form we have done. Okay. After that, sum they asked. Yes, the sum they asked. So that's why what I have done. Your Sn is equal to, just I added all these terms. Again, what happened? Just reverse I have taken this and added. I am getting each and every term same. How many terms these are? How many terms I have taken? These are how many terms? N terms. That's why just it is multiplied by n. Like that I have written for my convenience. Yes, again. So just I sent 2 times I added no. As Gauss said, yes, 2 times I added no. So that's why this 2 I sent this head. So Sn is equal to a plus n minus 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Then I made again Sn is equal to n by 2 of a plus n minus 1 into d. This a plus n minus 1 into d is nothing but, what is that? Yes, that is nth term of AP. That's why a plus an I have written. Why? Because in new textbooks it is an, like it is there in textbooks. Okay. So in olden textbooks, in old textbook, before this textbook, T1, T2, T3 like that they used to give, but here A1, A2, A3 like that there. Okay. Yes, children. So that is the topic. Just I want to explain you. Maybe you understood this. Okay. I am very happy. Why? Because just I have explained you about this one, and yes, in addition to that, just we remembered the great mathematician Gauss. Okay. So I think children, just you have enjoyed this class. Later, just I will come with one more topic, and we will do more sums on this. Okay. Thank you very much children. Thank you. Yes, I am very thankful to you.